In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your old account in Fortnite PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to manage the account that you have connected in your Epic Games page. So, to check which PlayStation Network account you currently have connected so you can use an old or a new one, you have to go to the official Fortnite website. So go to fortnite.com and in here sign into the Epic Games account that you want to manage. When you are signed in, click on your name and go to connect account. Now here is where you will be able to find which PlayStation Network account you have connected. Now, this is going to depend on which purpose you want to achieve. Basically, if you want to connect a new account and there is no account connected, it's as simple as click on the option to connect. You will be redirected into the PlayStation website after you confirm your email address, and you can input your PlayStation Network credentials to finish this process. With this done, you can sign into this Epic Games account on your PlayStation 4 when you play Fortnite, and you will see all of your progress transferred over. If you already have a PlayStation Network account connected here, this is going to be more difficult. You will have to choose the option to remove it if it is not the correct one that you want to use, and then agree with all the terms. Now, there will be a lot of warnings here that you should follow, and there might be a chance that you will not be able to connect a new account right away. Sadly, they make this process very difficult, so if you keep trying to switch accounts constantly, it is unlikely that you will be able to achieve this. If you notice that you are unable to link a new account or you still need help, I would recommend contacting their customer support, so click on the Need Help option and see what can be done. Oftentimes, they will be able to resolve this issue as long as you are able to prove that you are the owner of both accounts, so the Epic Games account and the PlayStation account, and they will manually do the link for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect your old account in Fortnite PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.